the hat.
Oh, Falisha birthday. Hey, see your birthday face?
We're growing up. Adventure.
Faleeq, time to unbox some of the toys.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, who's gonna be doing the unboxing?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start out with the drum set. Okay, no, this one first. This one for Falisha. The baby girl drum set. Yes, this one first. This one, the drum first.
Falisha gonna be the rock stars.
Baby top.
What is this, Falisha?
Drum. Drum. Say drum. Drum, yes.
I want to play drum.
Now we're gonna unbox this jazz drum set. We got it from for Falisha for her birthday. This one is pink color. No, this one is pink color. So pink color. See this one. The pink color is for girls. So you see the pink color. See the girl. See.
Oh, Falisha.
The other side of drum.
I want to share.
See. See this girl kan? This a girl kan? Falisha is a girl kan? You. Alright. And then box this. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, come. Help me. Take it off. Okay. Alright.
Wow.
Slowly. Oh, stuck here. Alright.
Wow, what color is that?
What color is this? Take this off now. Wait, 1 minute. Let's just do this. Just take it off. Yeah. Whoa. Alright, we got the drum set. I don't know how do we do this, but let's just check it out. Okay, this is the first. Alright, so we can do this right. Alright. Whoa. See? Wait first. We fix it first. Okay, this is the leg here. We got the leg here.
But a bit different from Faleeq dengan.
A bit different because this is
Faleeq dengan got a lot.
this one for a girl one, so it's a bit smaller. Okay. Alright, this one is a
Chair.
what's this? Is this a chair?
We will do.
You don't have this before,
Oh yeah,
right?
this is a chair. Correct.
Yes, it's a chair.
Oh, okay, this is the chair, right? Wow, funny nose. Alright, let me just fix the chair first. Alright, let me just fix it up. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's it. Now we can find it. We just sit here. See it. We can do this now.
Oh, Falisha.
Move this side.
No
Alright,
me.
alright, the chair is done. Okay, Falisha, you can sit here. Your chair is done. Okay, sit here.
The chair is different.
Wait.
Oh, you go take a chair, Faleeq.
Take a chair.
I got a chair.
Sit down. Alright. Now this is the drum set.
Now this one is it.
Yes, this one is yours one a bit different.
Okay, how do I fix this?
Where is it?
This one is
Yeah, now you got 2 chairs.
my first band. Now see? Right. How do you fix this? Okay, then we'll try to fix it
This
first.
is bed.
After we are done with it, fixing it, and then we can play it. Fix it. Alright, we're done. You're done with Faleeq. Falisha video. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Alright, here. Alright, whoa, Falisha's a drummer, man. That's cool. Whoa, and step on that. Step on here. Now step. Woo!
We go like that.
Oh, Falisha fall down. It's okay, cool. Alright. Relax, Falisha. Okay, let's unbox this. Another one. Faster, come. Okay, faster.
Let me do.
This one you want to unbox? Okay, let me open this up.
Faleeq dah kian.
Alright. Oh. What's this? A house. Let's check it out. What's this? Okay, how do we do this? Okay, we put a table here. Then this is the chair. Got the sofa set and wait, let me just show it to my first. Alright.
Okay.
It's okay, alright. Falisha, see. Falisha.
Falisha, faster.
See, the chair. Okay, you want to box this one pula? Okay, this one pula. Okay, come. Let's try this. Now we see, Falisha. Alright, there's the cupboard there. You got the baby doll here. Doll. That's it. Alright, see, okay, this is the stuff here. Oh, what's this? This is a fridge. Yes, this is the cupboard.
Angin.
You don't touch it. Just put it here. Just put it here. Let's see how.
Television? What's television?
Let's see how do you put this. It's not balanced, so let's just try this one over here. Yeah.
Television? What's television?
Okay, just put it here.
Okay.
Angin.
Yeah, the wind is blowing this stuff. Okay, got it. Alright, now the last one. Oh, you got 2 dolls. You wanna open this one or you wanna keep this one first? You wanna open? And then we keep this one, eh? No. Alright, let's try to open it.
It's a birthday girl lah.
Yeah, this is a birdie girl. Alright, ready?
Wow, look at shoes. Red shoes. Hi.
Alright, there you go. Alright.
Where are the shoes?
Where's
That's
the
okay.
shoe? Is there the shoe?
No.
There's no shoe. Alright, we're done.
Okay, Falisha play.
Yeah. Alright.
Say happy birthday, Falisha.
Wow. Falisha. Oh. Falisha, sit here. Falisha.
Falisha, faster lah, sayang Falisha.
Open eye. Oh my gosh, it's tomorrow.
Bye-bye.